This is a brand new 2014 Honda CR-V. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, a sunroof, heated seats, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a leather-wrapped shift knob, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, front side impact airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, steering wheel mounted controls, and 7 intelligently positioned speakers, producing great sound quality throughout the cabin. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.